In today's example, I'll show you how to place an offer on a work order. We'll start by clicking on our home screen. We will pick the work order that we want to make an offer on. In this instance, you'll see that this is a work order that we can place a bid on. I've set a starting price of $1,000, so I'm going to click Make an Offer. From there, let's say that I want to offer to do the job for $1,500. I can type that in and hit Place Offer. And it'll prompt you to provide a brief explanation. In this case, I'll just say, we'll click Done. And you'll see that you've placed an offer. That offer is now under review by the administrator or project manager who created the work order. You'll have the option, if you so choose, to delete your offer or to edit the offer if you want to raise or lower the amount that you're asking for. In some instances, the admin or project manager who created the work order will have chosen to set the work order as a firm price. In those instances, you will be able to offer to take the job, but you will not be able to negotiate the price with them. So if they posted it for $1,000, you would have the option of, saying that you're interested in taking it for $1,000, but not countering to raise that offer to $1,500. Once we're done, we can just press back here and it'll take us back to our home screen. If we click into work orders, we can see now that we have the one work order here that's active that we're bidding on. Once it's been approved by the admin or project manager who created the work order, it'll provide a notification to us and we can begin starting on the project.